A vehicle of Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force hit and killed a mother of two boys in Srinagar, the summer capital of the occupied Kashmir. CRPF vehicle deliberately hit a scooty that led to the death of a mother of two young boys and injured her son near Abdullah Bridge Rajbagh area of Srinagar. Political experts and analysts have said that the occupied Kashmir continues to reel under the brutal military occupation of India, where all the rights of the people have been snatched for the last over 7 decades. The political experts and analysts in their statements and interviews in Srinagar said the Indian troops have turned the occupied Kashmir a living hell for the Kashmiris. Vice Chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, has said that Narendra Modi-led Indian government has turned occupied Kashmir into a prison ahead of the Hindu pilgrimage, the Amarnath Yatra, in the name of security for the Yatris. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement in Srinagar, said the deployment of additional 60,000 troops will further increase the miseries of the Kashmiris who are under the constant siege since 5th August 2019. Narendra Modi-led Indian government has arranged a tour of a delegation retired judges and top jurists of India to the occupied territory. A delegation led by the President of London-based International Council of Jurists and Chairman of All India Bar Association, Adish Singh Agarwal, has arrived in Jammu and will be meeting top officials of the administration of the territory. The members of the delegation will unfurl the Indian flag at the Srinagar's main Lal Chowk on Sunday. The move is aimed at misleading the Indian public about the prevailing grim situation of the occupied territory. A low-intensity earthquake was felt on Saturday afternoon across the Ramban district in occupied Kashmir. The earthquake occurring at 2 p.m. measured 3.0 on the Richter scale. The epicenter of the quake, happening at a depth of 5 kilometers, was located in Ramban. A prominent Kashmiri advocacy group has announced that Kashmiris and their supporters will stage a protest rally near the White House on June 22nd, when the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be meeting the US President Joe Biden in Washington amid India's escalating atrocities in the occupied Kashmir. Family members and the relatives of a minor boy from the Bandipora district of the occupied Kashmir staged a protest demonstration in Srinagar over the mysterious death of their kin. 15-year-old Shakir, who was a student at an orphanage in Srinagar outskirts, was found dead in a mysterious conditions in Kunjar, Baramulla on Friday morning. Protest demonstrations were held in the Baramulla district and Jammu city against the anti-people policies of the authorities. Protests against Water and Power Department continued for the 6th consecutive day today in Sopore of the Baramulla district. Scores of people, mostly women, gathered and blocked the Sopore Tarzu and to protest against the department.